Juju. Tell her again.
You're ridiculous.
Again?
Ridiculous.
Say, you're ridiculous, Mick.
You're ridiculous, Mick.
How do you say it? Say it again. One more.
You're ridiculous.
One more.
You're ridiculous.
You're ridiculous, Mick. Put that baba. Juju, what do you want? You want a cupcake?
Yeah.
And what else? Chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Which one do you want more, chocolate milk or cupcake?
Cookie.
Oh, Mommy just left them there for you to see. Now you want one, huh? Ooh, look at that.
I need some.
Yeah, okay. Hey, what is Mick?
Ridiculous. Bye-bye.